4 nations, 4 weapon systems and batteries, 1 mission to support the VJTF, NATO's Very High Readiness Joint Task Force. As part of it, a multinational artillery battalion will constitute NATO's spearhead force in 2019, capable of responding effectively to any crisis wherever it occurs. Until then, practice is underway. The Belgians' contribution is the LG-1 towed howitzer, a particularly light, flexible and highly mobile weapon system.
There is a real understanding. We've almost become friends, you could say. During this live firing exercise, we've also met up in the firing positions and explained and demonstrated the systems to one another. This shows how well we get on.
But how are the soldiers assigned their targets? Artillery observers from the Joint Fire Support Team use the KZO UAV, for example, to get an accurate operational picture.
We reconnoitre targets, and targets are also assigned to us by the combat troops commander. It is important to have eyes on the target area in order to reconnoitre targets and to try to engage the targets with indirect fire. Or our team can employ air-to-ground assets, such as aircraft or jets.
The Mars 2 rocket launcher. The crew has been given a firing order by the command post. A stable firing position must now be rapidly established.
The Mars 2 can fire 2 types of missile. There's the unitary missile, a GPS-guided missile which can operate deep in the area, reaching point targets up to 85 kilometers away. Then, conversely, we have the AT-2 mine missile, which can fire 28 mines at a target with only 1 missile, and when fired from 2 rocket launchers, can create a minefield 1.5 kilometers wide.
The Joint Fire Support Team has reconnoitred an important target, and the commander opts for massed fire. The Norwegian battery employs its M109 howitzer. How is it with soldiers from 4 nations working and living together?
Full of challenges, of course, but it's a really good learning point for all parts. We test the system and we stress the system, and it works.
The PZH-2000 armoured howitzer. Not only is this the principal weapon system for the German artillery, but this item of equipment is also used by the Dutch in the battalion. 4 nations in 1 battalion. What's the advantage of a multinational team?
It is very complicated. This cannot be denied. However, the advantage is that capabilities which we no longer have at the national level in Germany are integrated into our battalion. For example, the Belgians' 105mm towed howitzer. These are capabilities which we abandoned a long time ago and which are now part of our portfolio again.
The firing exercise at the Bergen-Hoorn training area is now over. But in order to be well prepared in case of emergency, Lieutenant Colonel Lawrence and his battalion continue to train.